Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Rene'a, and I will be doing my lashes. I tried the lash clusters a few times, and I just am in love with these. My neighbor showed me how to do them one time, and baby, I've been on it. I'm just like so invested, so in love. So this is just a tutorial of me just actually going in step by step, showing y'all how I'm doing it. I use the seal right here to seal everything down, but before you even use the seal, you would lay the bond on, your actual lashes, as I'm doing right now, and then you will pick the lash cluster up, and I start from the outside going into the inside part of my eye, and that's how it helps me better with everything. So yes, take your time doing it, and you want to get close to the eyelid. I think that's the under eyelid. I put mine underneath. Some people may put it theirs on the top. It just depends on how you like it. And I go long to short on both my lashes. So now you see me just brushing the lash out and just making sure that it's all, I don't want no lashes coming off my lash. And yes, I have been in the pool. I take showers. I wash my face. So I think that's what the seal is for, is to make sure that they're on there safely. So yes, and then right here I tried something different. I went in and tried to do a few of my bottom lashes, and because I don't know if y'all are like this, but my eyes are very sensitive. I tear up a lot when I'm putting strips on, when I used to get individuals, anything. So I just wanted to try it to see how it is, and I think it looks okay, but this is not a all the time look for me. I just did this just strictly for the video, so y'all see me, look at me, it was cute. So yeah, now I'm doing the other side. Like I said, I'm very sensitive about my eyes. They be like, I'm sensitive about my, I'm sensitive about my eyes, so I can feel them watering up as we speak. Okay. So yeah, continue watching, and I hope y'all love this video. I hope it was a gentle tutorial of how to do lash clusters, and you can purchase them off of TikTok. You can purchase them off of Amazon. I even seen Shein and Temu. They have them too. But most definitely, I think anybody that wants to not pay a big fee with doing individuals, go purchase you some and take your time and do you a good lash. So continue watching, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Bye.